I would recommend Thrive to anyone who is feeling they've got a little aching feeling in the back of their head that something isn't quite right, and they want to basically sit down and analyse why things aren't quite right. You know, they're not quite making enough money to pay all their bills. The staff are asking for pay rises that they simply know that they won't have enough money for. They've got lots of times twiddling their thumbs because patients aren't turning up. They feel that they're hemorrhaging patients in some way by the fact the recall systems aren't working properly. There's something or other going wrong, but what on earth is it? And what Thrive will enable you to do is to analyse, with the help and support of the people that know at exactly what is the problem. And then you can either ignore it or you can do something about it. But at least you know what it is that's causing the glitch. So anyone that's got a little sort of nag that something isn't quite right about their practice, then analysis almost certainly will be worthwhile, and Thrive allows you to do that analysis. And you get supported in doing it. If you do it yourself, you won't do it properly. You'll either be distracted because you've got to go and see a patient, or you'll get your figures wrong, or you won't be able to do it ongoing, and as a result it'll be a flash in the pan rather than a process. So Thrive is a process which hopefully will go on into the future, perhaps with support, perhaps without support, but it's training you in the right way of looking at your dental business, and hopefully that will produce success. Any practice would benefit from it, but I think particularly a private practice, and particularly a mixed dental practice, and I think certainly any practice that has a membership scheme and a hygienist and private patients and perhaps some NHS commitment, you need to know how that mix ends up being. Where do you want to spend your time most? How can you stimulate referrals to your hygienist? Those are the sort of questions that Thrive will answer for any practice.